pasi neZANU-PF, pasi neZANU-PF, pasi nevari kudzvanyirira vanhu muZimbabwe. Down with ZANU-PF and down with all those who are pressing down the people in Zimbabwe, who are removing democratic particles in Zimbabwe. As I am talking today to you about the revolution which we are having in Zimbabwe, the revolution which includes Mbuyava Hector, which includes the youth, the revolution which includes the working class, the revolution which includes all the politicians in Zimbabwe, the revolution which includes everyone in diaspora. I want to talk about this revolution in a learned way, in an educational way, in a journal type of way, in a scientific way, and in a political way. I know most of the people doesn't understand maybe what is revolution. They might understand that bond coins is about revolution. They might understand this flag. This flag is the revolution. They are not understanding what is revolution, what they must do, what is the next step in that revolution. The revolution, first of all, I want to tell you what is a revolution. A revolution is when Mugabe removed Smith, when Fidel Castro in Cuba removed the other government, Libya, Tunisia, Egypt, Arab rising. But the revolution in Zimbabwe is for Zimbabweans to win democracy, for Zimbabweans to have full liberty, full liberalization. Yes, we need full liberalization. We need freedom. We need to have Zimbabwe free from udzvanyiriri. Revolution in Zimbabwe means to remove Mugabe from power. Do you understand me? Revolution means to remove Mugabe from power. Revolution does not mean to stop bond coins. Revolution does not mean to know this flag. Revolution must have a direction. What is your direction? What is your aim in the revolution of Zimbabwe? Chicha, you want regime change. We want regime change. I come again to this flag. When you talked about Mawarire, Pastor Ivan Mawarire, when he talked about this flag, I knew about this flag a long time ago. Some people in the MDC knew about this flag a long time ago. They knew what they wanted. The only thing is that they failed. They failed. As well as me. Because remember, I'm commander in chief here in diaspora, revolutionarist Martin Chinyangata William. I am in the process of this revolution. But maybe I might be too slow. Ivan Mawarire was too quick. He had ideas. Remember, any man armed with ideas is dangerous to the regime. The idea of taking what was in everyone's heart, what the idea of people who are in America, patriotic, when Americans are lifting their flag, say, I'm an American, lifting their flags, I'm an American, lifting their flags, I'm an American. It, British lifting their flag, I'm British. Zimbabweans were shy of their flag. They were really shy of their flag. They didn't know that the flag can unite them to be just one person. That's what Ivan Mawarire's idea was. That Zimbabweans, I came the other time, even myself, that we wanted to do a solidarity, we wanted to do a Egypt-style, Tunisian-style type of revolution a long time ago in 2000, and I remember 2010. And no, Zimbabwean went into the street. I think everyone was not hungry. Now it is good timing, good place that Ivan Mawarire come and talk about, because they are hungry and they said, how can we unite together with this flag? They use the flag so that we can unite together, and Ivan Mawarire ran away. He just vanished. Not standing with his words. But don't be afraid, just go onto your flag and stick onto your flag, and don't be afraid, they will not do anything, don't be afraid. And he went away, and he left some of you there, holding your flag and not being afraid. I ran away from Zimbabwe a long time ago as well. Because I did these things, and there are people like Shepherd Yuda. They ran away from Zimbabwe a long time ago. They did these things. They devoured the regime. They put all the information to the regime. They ran away. The regime that's what the regime is all about. But now let's come again. Reignite this flag. We can name it another time. Yes, I know Tajamuka people. We tell you Tajamuka people in Zimbabwe that you Tajamuka, can you do this? Can you do this? You are not listening. Yours is just going in the street. Bondos, this police just beating you for nothing. Can you protest whilst you are in your house, in your bedroom? Can you protest whilst you are just in a street? No. The time for protests is over in Zimbabwe. It's the time to do a revolution, to remove Mugabe out of power. That is the time left. I have urged every Zimbabwean. I give it a time. I don't want it tomorrow or today. Tomorrow or today is Tajamuka and other people do it. And we see, we are waiting. But on the 21st of February, we want everybody to attend Mugabe's birthday. Everybody, invited or not invited, can we attend Mugabe's birthday? We are going to attend Mugabe's birthday at the State House. We will all unite at the Monomtapa buildings. And every Zimbabwean, 17 million Zimbabwe, unite at the Monomtapa buildings, and we go to the State House to give birthday wishes to Mugabe on the 21st of February. That is all we have to do. I'm going to buy my ticket to come. I will not go to Mugabe's house if I see myself. I will not go to Mugabe's house if I see there are 500 people. I will not go to Mugabe if I see there is 1,000 people. I will not go to Mugabe's place if I see there are 2,000 people or 10,000 people. I won't go. I will go to Mugabe's house when I see at least 10 million Zimbabweans round the Munumtapa building, getting way to go to the State House. Then I shall take my loudspeaker and I will tell you how we are going to wish Mugabe a birthday. Everyone mind take this date, 21st of February. I'm coming there. That is revolution which I am going to do. We are going to do revolution, not protests. Aluta, people of Zimbabwe. I'm not going to say again my name. You have seen me several times appearing in videos, but I'm very angry with some people who are making people to be beaten by police for no reason. I told you, if you want to do the revolution, go and unite at the Munumtapa, make a date, and you go to Mugabe's house or to any barracks and do the revolution. Not not because my police are anabasa. Police are are nothing when we are doing revolution. Police are nothing. They're just kids when the revolution comes, when people are doing revolution. So listen to me very well. It might become 21 might be very far away. If a Zimbabwean has taken this flag now and is listening to what I'm saying, is putting energy in him or in her to understand what is a revolution. A revolution is to remove the regime by force, not by voting. And to Tsvangirai, you got so many mistakes you are doing. You take people to go in the rally at Masvingo, to rally in Gweru, to rally what, and you talk this, that. What are those words going to bring to the people? Why don't you talk these words which I'm saying to the people? Every Zimbabwean come rally at Munumtapa and let's go to the State House. And we ask and we put our petitions there to Mugabe. And those who want, they can take him out from that State House, and we stay all in the State House. We eat what Mugabe is eating in the State House. We dine with him there. Every Zimbabwean. That is what you should tell Zimbabwean Tsvangirai. People might say, yeah, he's talking in his room. Yeah. Where do you do your conferences in? You do your conferences in the streets. You do your conferences in a hotel. Somewhere you open your party in a hotel. You do launch your party in a hotel somewhere. Is it not a room? It's just a place to facilitate broadcasting and communication to reach to the people. I'm very, very angry. As I have said, everyone has taken my word. My last words is, if people will not come on the 21st of February to come and unite with me at the Munumtapa building to go to Mugabe's place, listen what I'm going to do. I'm going to declare war with Mugabe. I will do the unexpected with Mugabe. I can do it Egypt style, Libya style, Tunisia style, especially Libya style. And NATO will be around to help us. NATO will be around to help us. Protests are over now. Votes are over now. It's now revolution in Zimbabwe. No more votes, no more protests. If I tell you, even Mugabe and his people, his allies, the other time in those 70s, they did protest, and protests were over. They saw they were unhelpful. They did things of voting. It was unhelpful. Do you know what they did? They started the revolution. And this is the revolution which I'm talking to you. You young boy, you young men. Get direction and listen to other people. And it's not murowese wanu asichitai chaizvo zvandiri kutaurirai pana kuti revolution inoitwa sei, kwete kungojamuka muchingomhanya muchingoti ye. We want revolution now. Aluta continua aluta continuar messe